In today's section, I am going to teach about KV charts. I already discussed about logic based testing, right? So in logic based testings, we will recognize the Boolean algebra. Based on Boolean algebra, we find out the logics, right? So it is in KV charts also one of the part in the logic based testing. So we will know about introduction. First, what is logic based testing? First, we have to know, we have to deal with the expression of 2 or 4. Basically, while dealing with the algebra, or 2 or more variables are checked to form a logic, okay? But in this KV charts, we will find out about 4, 5, 6, more than 4, we will recognize the bugs, or we will find out the algebra, or we will find out the errors to form or to design the testing, okay? So the next one, it is also called as Karloff-Witch graph. Why it is called as a Karloff-Witch graph means it is connecting with the, so why it is Karloff-Witch? So why it is called as Karloff-Witch? Karloff-Witch graph is converting the Boolean algebra, okay? It is converting the Boolean algebra for the manipulating or for the calculation of the data. So the next one, 6 variables, 6 different variables. From the single variable to the 6 number of variables, it will be divided independently, okay? First point means, what is the introduction means, in this expression or in this KV charts, we will deal with 4 or 5 or 6 variables, okay, to calculate or to make the algebra to find out the errors. So see, to find out the errors where the bugs may occur by designing the testing. Next one, in this we also use the Karloff-Witch graph. Why we are using Karloff-Witch graph means to reduce the Boolean algebra, okay? To reduce the Boolean algebra, we are using Karloff-Witch. Third one is using, we are using 6 variables. Why we are 6 variables means we are dividing these variables into independent variables one by one, okay? Next one, we will know in this KV charts, we will define about single variable, double variable and 3 variables. Okay, first we will define about single variable. In single variable, as shown in the figure, see, only one element in single block. First one is equals to 0, 0, next one 0, 1, next 1, 0 and 1, 1. For first block, we have 0, 0. In A block, we have 0, 1. In A dashboard, we have a 1, 0 and 1. We have 1, 1. So each and every block or each and every node, a single node is accessing. In single block, only single. So we will, how we are calculating means 0, 0, 0, 0. Next 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, and here A is equals to 0, 0, 0, 1. Next 1, 0, 1, 0. Like that. So in this calculation also, we will find out about if 2 zeros are indicating, okay, if 2 nodes are zeros, then the function will never be true, okay? If 2 zeros are there, then never the function will be never true. See last one, if the function is always ones, if the function of the nodes are always positive manner, then it is said to be true. Okay, so second one you will see just the function is true, okay? The function 0, 1 or 1, 0 is totally different, okay? If the function is true, then it will be a true. If a function is false, totally function is a false, then it will also be a true in this single variable, okay? So in single variable, we define the single one independent node one by one by defining 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1, okay? So how we are finding? So see, the A1 means the variable which is true, 0 means the variable which indicates false. So if all the charts or all the truth values are variable, all the truth values must be exist. Okay, first point, all the truth values must be exist. Second, the 1 means it indicates the variable of 1 is true, the 0 is the variable of the 0, it may be a false. Next one, the entry point of the box may be 0 or 1. To specify what it is specifying is specifying the function may either be a true or false. At last statement, we will specify about the explicit what are the unwanted entities are entering or not. We have to gather and we have to specify whether the function may true or may not be true. Okay, here true or false, but here we are specifying the may be true or may not be true. Okay. Next, we will define about two variables. Before we have explained about one variable, now two variables. So, how we are defining the two variables are, first, if we have already assigned but 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right, in single variable. But here we will assign two number of variables. If we are assigning 0, 0, here A, if A is 0, 0, B is 0, 1. Here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, or 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Like that, it different and divided into, here we are divided into two subcategories, but in single variable we only divided into single categories which are nothing but 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. See, here we will calculate about two variables. How we are calculating means, see, 0, 0, 1, okay, 0, 0. Next, here we are here not indicating anything. Next, we have to calculate 1. See, 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. Now here 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 1, 1, 1, 1. Now we are indicating two number of variables. Now we are dividing multiple variables. How means 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Here we are having the four variables. So two variables are divided into multiple variables. Here also you see 1, 1 here. 1, 1, next 1, 1, next 0, 1, next 1, 0. So we are dividing into multiple variables. Here also we will divide like that only. So see, here we are dividing into two variables, but here we are dividing into multiple variables which are more than 2. Okay. So how these are dividing into two number of variables means, we are dividing these variables into multiple, right? So these each and every box will be combined with another combination of rows and columns. So in these two variables or in this multiple variables, we will define the combination of rows and columns. Okay, then we will pair this all these variables at horizontally or vertically. Okay, in these variables we also define the statements like horizontal or vertical, it will be defined. First, they will combine the combination of rows and columns. Next one, the pair of the links it may be a horizontal or vertical. Okay, next, the changes of this variable may or may not be changed the variable at horizontal or vertical. So it depends upon the particular node. Okay. Next one, the fifth variable is also there in this by multiplying the double, the fifth variable also are connected to the simple to equivalent the equations. So how we are equivalent conditions means from zeros and ones. Okay, from zeros and ones we will equivalent the conditions. So the next one, we are multiplying this equation into multiple, more than 2 or 3 or 4. So how we means, now we have to identify AB slash AB. Okay, so how we are identifying means, first we have to identify A, B slash. dash. So how we write it means 0 1 1 0. This is AB. Just AB means see 1 1 1 1. These are the variables of A no AB node. These are the variables of AB dash node. Okay. Next, suppose we will do about AB dash plus AB dash plus A dash B. So how we are calculating? A B dash, next A dash B. How we are calculating? First, A1 is the A. Next, B dash is nothing but 1 0. Okay. Now we will calculate about A dash. A dash is 0 1. B is 1 1. So this is the dividing equations. Okay, dividing the variables into independent variables. So we are dividing into multiple. So we can have OR statements, exclusive OR statements, or if else statements, or B replies to the A, or A implies to the B, or we can add anything in these equations of a two variables. Okay, but in one variable we does not assign any number of variables or more variables in first statement. Okay. So by seeing the second variable, right? By seeing second variable, we understood that we will divide into two multiple blocks. Okay. Next we are dividing 2 into multiple. And 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. 4 blocks we are using, right? Now this is the combination I already said about the columns and rows, how it is expressing from the horizontal way and vertical way, right? So these are the small expressions, okay, which are used in the second variable. Now we will know about third variable. Three variables also used KV charts. Why we are using these three variables means, before using these KV charts, we have to assign the box which are heading with zeros or ones. Okay, na? So with heading only, when we are defining blocks only, we are assigning the heading as a zeros or ones. So the three variables have a grouping system like 1, 2, 3 statements. Okay, these grouping statements have a 1, 2, 3 groups, more than groups principles also. These principles will follow a small example with multiple equations, equivalent equations. So see they are a multiple. In headings only they directly assign the variables, right? 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0. Okay, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So how we are assigning? Means how we are assigning means 0 1, okay, 0 1 is one statement and 0 1 indicates 0 1 0 1. Okay, here we will see how it is indicating means 1 1 indicates, okay, 1 1 1 0. So this is how we have to examine the variables. Till now I examined in for single variable like 0 0 1 0 0 1 and 1 1, right? But in second variable 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0, like that I have assigned. But here a single variable is connected to the two or more variables, right? So 0 1 indicates 0 1 0 1, 1 1 indicates 1 1 1 0. Next we will know about this. So what is this? 1 1 indicates 1 1 0 1. Okay. Next 0 1 indicates 0 1 0 1. Okay. For this statement, for this block 1 1 indicates 1 1 0 1. Next another one, 1 1 indicates 1 1 1 1. Okay. Next, we are defining into multiple. Now we are divided 0 1 is equals to 1 1 1 1 0, like that. but we are dividing into multiple. How it dividing means 0 1 indicates 0 1 0 1. Next 0 1 indicates 1 1 1 1. Next 1 1 indicates 1 1 1 0. Next 0 1 indicates 0 1 indicates 1 0 1 1 0. So see, any variables is repeating? No, but we are finding multiple variables, right? So before we used to say only single variable is assigned, but in 3 variables we are additionally adding 3. Okay, we are knowing 3 number of variables on 6 or 7 variables are assigning, right? So here also we will assign the more statements to indicate it. So now we will calculate 5 variables or 6 variables, shall we? 1 1 indicates 1 1 0 0. Now 0 1 indicates 0 1 0 1. Next 0 1 indicates 0 1 1 1. Next 1 1 indicates 1 1 1 1. Next 1 1 indicates 1 1 1 0. So see, by forming we will know about more numbers. Next 1 1 indicates 1 1 1 1. So see, any value is repeating? No. So how we are defining means, we will define about these statements as a number of statements which are repeating. Okay, so the 5 statements or 5 nodes are repeated, 5 variables are repeating. So we will define about in single variable only one variable will be assigned, but in 2 variables we will divide into multiple, right? But in 3 variable we are defining 2 or more variables which until the 6 or 7. So these all variables as increasing from small to big, right? So these all variables have to have an incremental order or exponential order, which may be a true or false. So these all statements have a true or false statements. Yes. So these equivalent statements also used for zeros and ones only for the pairing. Okay, to link the path we have to achieve it. So these all logics have the help of Boolean algebras, which is nothing but a true or false statements to assign the KV charts. The KV charts is nothing but 2 or more statements or 2 or 3 or 4 statements which are expressing the Boolean expression to the logic. Okay, these are the graphical representations which are involved in KV charts. In KV charts we will assign about single variable, multiple variable or a double variable, and 3 variables or 2 variables or 3 variables. There is a single variable, 2 variables and 3 variables which we used for the expressions to defining the Boolean algebra to form a logic. Okay, so it is represented in the graphical representation for the blocks with the nodes. Okay, with zeros and ones. So it must satisfy the trues and false statement. Fine. Thank you.